GH5 has a feature called focus peaking. This is basically an aid if you like to manually focus. It gives you a glowing area around the picture to show you what's exactly in focus. Right now we have it turned off. So you'll notice when I turn the ring on the lens to try to focus on Matt, I can pretty much tell he's in focus, but I want to be more accurate than this. I want to be sure. Now this is available for both video and for stills. And remember, it's if you're in the manual focus mode up here. Now if I push menu set and I go to let me go back here, I go to monitor display here, and I go to page 4 of 6 and I choose focus peaking. Let me first turn it on and show you what it does. So when I turn focus peaking on, you're going to see when I focus on Matt, you can see the green glowing in his beard. That shows me that that's perfectly in focus. Now, there's some changes I can make here. There's some custom settings I can do. Those are available here under set. The first one here is high and low. So we can, let me go to high and show the difference. So high is a finer setting. It'll let you more accurately focus. So let me turn high on and go back to the same scene. You'll see less glowing in Matt's beard. It's a little more accurate, but sometimes harder to see. Now if I go to set again and I turn this to low, you'll notice a lot more green in Matt's beard. So it's up to you to choose which of these works best for the particular scene you're shooting. Now you'll also notice in here, as you do this, and if I'm in the low setting, I can choose colors. Now I like to choose a color that is opposite to what's in my picture. So Matt's wearing a blue shirt. I wouldn't want blue like the light blue. I'd want a green, a red, or a darker blue to show the difference. Now you'll notice these colors are a little bit brighter because we're in the low setting. When I go to the high setting, those colors are more of a pastel, but they do exactly the same thing. So this is the most accurate way to get to do manual focus on your GH5.
Panasonic.